Awareness is empowerment. Conscious consumerism is simply awareness wearing color. The cloth may change, but the consciousness beneath it defines the design. Anmol, I was just talking to these women about where they learnt this from.
Yeah.
All this. And they said that you used to do this yourself.
Yeah.
And then you taught her, and then she taught everyone.
Yes.
So she's the trainer.
Because, literally, actually, I myself have never learned all of this anywhere. Like I was telling you, I just started with patches. So I had to figure out how to first put this on a jacket because, needles break and it's not something which was being done before. So I had to kind of create my own way of working with these fabrics. And then, of course, I could teach them. And then, that's how it rolls up.
Okay. So you basically started this yourself. So you know what? You're empowering women behind the scenes, which a lot of people don't know. Now they will. But that's a lot like the work that, like what we stand for at We Women. It is not just about empowering women. It is about empowering the feminine energy within all, regardless of gender. So would you say that creation itself is the greatest rebellion? To respond to the world not with resistance but with art.
Yes. Wow, it sounds so lovely. It sounds so lovely when you're saying it. But that's actually so true.
At least to me it is.
Yes, really. There can be nothing better than creating, honestly. And it is, like we were talking earlier, I am not somebody who's very out there on social media. I'm not somebody who's really promoting my brand, and I'm not, I honestly don't have any business friends. There is not much I am doing, which I see a lot of entrepreneurs doing in terms of PR and all, because I think my greatest weapon or ally or whatever is creation.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
I am just focused on that. But of course, there are a lot of other things that are needed along with that, which I am learning in business. But yes, creation is the most important thing, and being original and having being passionate about what you're doing. That is the most important thing. Everything else comes later.
You were talking about it inside the store when you said that, at 2 o'clock in the morning, I get my best design.
Yeah.
I am a very strong believer of the fact that something that can keep you awake at night, whether it's a lover or a beloved or the love of what you do, if it can keep you up late at night, that is your indication that you're passionate about.
Yeah, absolutely.
And when you do it intensely, intensity to me is an expression of passion.
Yes.
Not of anything else.
Yes, and you wake up feeling refreshed. Even if I haven't slept, honestly, I wake up feeling refreshed and energized like every day. Because so weird. Because of this.
Brilliant. That's, so through this, I just want to make this statement that through the Banjara Trail, you're not just keeping alive ancient roots, but you're also meeting modern needs.
Yes.
You're bringing ancient India to the modern man.
Yes. That's the aim.
And relevant to the modern man. And you do clothes for men also. No?
Yes, men, kids.
Oh, kids also.
Yes, we've launched boho kids as well. And home decor is on its way now.
Families. All in Mahal.
Literally, yeah. Yes.